Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have square root of a plus a is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem in a very easy way. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here first we need to remove this radical sign, and for this we move plus a to the right hand side, and it will become the square root of a is equals to 2 minus a. And for removing this radical sign, we need to take squaring on both of the sides. And now here in the next step, we need to use the nice algebraic formula into the right hand side. And you know about that. If we have a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we expand our right hand side as in this form. But in the left hand side, you see here these 2 and square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get our a is equals to, this will becomes 2 square minus 2 times of 2 into a plus a square. And further we have in the next step is a equals to 2 square becomes 4 minus 2 times 2 becomes 4a plus this is our a square. And now here in the next step, we need to move this a to the right hand side, and it will becomes a square minus 4a plus 4, and this a becomes minus a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a square, this is minus 4a minus a becomes minus 5a, and plus this is 4 is equals to 0. And you see here this equation will becomes quadratic equation in a variable, and we know about that there are 3 methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So that here we use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to 4. And we state the quadratic formula as a is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b, and c here. So when we put all of these values here, it will becomes a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 5 plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 5 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will becomes, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 square becomes 25 minus this is 4 times 4 becomes 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step we need to focus inside the square root sign, and inside the square root sign we have these are the subtraction of these two numbers, and when we subtract these two numbers it will becomes 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 16 becomes 9, and it is divided by 2. And here we have our a is equals to 5 plus minus, we know about that square root of 9 becomes 3 divided by 2. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write the positive value, it is a equals 5 plus 3 divided by 2, and the second is we write the negative value, it is 5 minus 3 divided by 2. And from here we get our a is equals to 8 divided by 2, and from here we get a is equals to 2 divided by 2. So from this case we get the value of a is 2 times 4 becomes 8. So we get the value of a is equals to 4, and from here these two are cancelled out by each other and we get a is equals to 1. So this is the our second value of a. So these are the two roots which we get here in, and now here in the next step we need to verify that is these two roots are solution of this equation or these two roots are extraneous root. For this we need to copy down given question statement here. It is square root of a plus a is equals to 2. And in this side we will be verify a equals to 1, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 4. So that here when we put a equals to 1 into the left hand side, and it will becomes square root of 1 plus 1 equals to 2 or not. This is our claim, and we know that square root of 1 becomes 1 plus 1 equals 2, and we have 2 is equals to 2. So this means that the value of a is satisfied our given question statement. So we verify the second value of a. So when you put it here, it will become square root of 4 plus 2 is equals to 2, and we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 plus 2 equals to 2, and this is 4 equals to 2. And here you see that it is not possible case 4 equals to 2 because 4 is not equals to 2. So that we conclude about a equals to 4 is that a equals to 4 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root and this is the solution. A equals to 1 be the solution. So finally we have the solution set of this question is that a is equals to 1. So this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.